Actually, searching Google is pretty easy. Just type what you are interested in, finding into the search box, then Google will find you the result. So, hi, today we are going to learn how to use Google search. First open your browser and search for google.com. Then this type of interface will be visible in your screen. Now type what you want to see. If I type burger, Google will show me the burger related article, images, map, video, news, and so more. So here is many search result available now. Now you can see that here is many result available and Google find you this huge amount of result in just a second. Now if you scroll down, you will find many article about burgers and website. Here you can see Google is suggesting you burger related keyword. So this is how you can use Google searches. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.